Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect Stripe to a WordPress website. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to teach you a method that is very simple. So you can simply open your WooCommerce website, or you can simply install it and activate your WooCommerce plugin from your WordPress dashboard. After you have simply downloaded or installed the plugin, you can simply navigate to the WooCommerce settings. Once you have navigated to the settings, enable Stripe. You need to find Stripe in the list of payment gateways and enable it. You need to click Manage to configure and connect to Stripe. You will be prompted to connect your Stripe account. If you are logged in into your Stripe in the same browser, you can simply click to connect. Otherwise, you will be redirected to Stripe to log in and authorize a connection. Now, if needed, you can configure your API keys and set up webhooks. So without wasting much time and have different kind of hassle to connect your Stripe to WordPress, you can simply use this method and have a very simplified method to set up your webhooks. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.